the courtyard is very vivid in my mind because during the revolution, I lived in Russia through the revolution. People were shot on the street. They lay in frozen positions until they were taken away. But to a child, that is not frightening. A child had no experience. So doesn't every little girl step over a dead body on the street? Only when the communists, there were different governments every other day. Bolsheviks, Mensheviks, whites, reds. During the Bolshevik regime, I was wheeling my brother, whom you will hear in a moment, in his carriage. He was only a few months old. I was 7. No, I was 9. I'm 9 years old. I stole 2 years to look younger. Well, 2 young communist women in leather jackets approached me when I was wheeling him in front of our house. He was just born. They picked him up, thrust him into my skinny 9-year-old arms and said, "У нас тоже дети. We also have babies," and took the carriage away. I was left with the infant, my tears falling on his blanket. I went upstairs. My mother said, "Belочка, what happened?" I said, "They have babies too." That was my introduction to communism.
Wow.